Meaning of electrocute.
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 Electrocute. To electrocute means to cause someone to be killed or severely injured by electric shock. When a person is electrocuted, an electrical current passes through their body, disrupting the normal functioning of their organs and muscles. This can lead to cardiac arrest, burns, and other serious injuries. The severity of the injuries depends on factors such as the voltage and duration of the shock, as well as the path the electricity takes through the body. In most cases, electrocution is a very dangerous and potentially deadly event.